How to set up an alarm clock on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Clock app. After click on Clock app, if you want to set up alarm, so click on this plus icon. After click on this plus icon, select time from here. After select time, after select time, select AM PM and add alarm name, label, enter label, and click on this tick icon. You will see alarm is set. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set up an alarm clock on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.